Hello everybody, my name is Brian, and well, I'm here to show you how I hacked Black Ops. This hack is 100% proof. It has an IP invisibility thing to it, to where you will not be able to get caught. I repeat, you will not. That makes your IP invisible to all of Sony's network components, and basically, I know that because I have officially hacked Sony Corporation and successfully not only jailbroken my PlayStation, but somehow jailbroken my Mac iBook and actually hacked Black Ops on my own. So, hold on 1 minute and I'm going to do it now. Okay, well, first, here's my Mac iBook. What we're going to do is, we're going to go down to where I have all these open things. And it's going to say, all the way here at the bottom, Black Ops Hack Input. I'm going to hit it. And this is just going to be a little note saying, Black Ops Hack. It says I'm opening the file and I'm hacking now. This can take up to some time. So try to keep yourself occupied by whacking off to Justin Bieber or some crap like that. Anyway, I'm gonna start now. So hold on. Okay. So that's really not important. So we're gonna exit that. We're gonna go back down to where I have all the stuff. And there's gonna be a little thing. It's going to be like little stuff that pops up. So we're going to pop up my console. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do this. If you see the keyboard the way I do, I'm going to type in a code. .7.55.5.5.7.8. And we're going to hit enter. And then this will pop up. It'll say console log, but it'll come up with a whole bunch of stuff. Can't really read it, but it says the Mac OS version 10.1 build Black Ops. It says 1970-01-05 login window. It should say can't connect to PBS object. It should say that. It should say that a couple more times. And then all of a sudden at the bottom, it should say invalid argument, and it'll say device safe read error. If you get that, so far you have officially jailbroken your Mac iBook Pro. Once that happens and you've finally figured out that you have successfully jailbroken it, you're gonna, this is the Macintosh HD hard drive, which you really don't need. That's not necessary. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the process listing, which is this. And it should say everything is running. All the hack systems right there you see, you can't really read them because my camera's not too good. But all those are infos about the hack, and it all should say running. If you're capable of reading that, it says running for everything. If it doesn't say running, then you have not successfully jailbroken your PlayStation. I mean, not your PlayStation. You have not successfully jailbroken your Mac iBook Pro, and you will need to jailbreak it. I will not tell you how to jailbreak the iMac Pro because it is not what is necessary. I am not here to show you how to jailbreak your iMac. I'm here to show you that I have successfully hacked Black Ops. Now, not only did I hack Black Ops, I also hacked Sony Computer Network, the corporation itself. So I officially had to use someone's access thing. In this case, it's a guy named Jerry Cruz. And what we're going to do is, it'll say here. Now, what that does say, that little thing there is USR, or that bin login, PYT1. When you open that, it'll say, welcome to Darwin, with a little name. Now, when you do that, you are to type in, what I did was, you have to type in a command. The command I put was OK. I typed in OK and it came up OD. Click OD, no. It'll say OK, command not found. Then under that it'll say localhost Black Ops %OD. Once you click the OD, like it says right there, that little space right there should be an OD. And then what we do is we go to this and we put open. Can't really see it because, like I said, my camera's messed up, but it says open file. If I'm right, it should say open file system 112.057.9907.8456. And that's that. And that's the code, the first line of codes, and then after that it says Black Ops, and then in parentheses I saved it under Challenge Lobby. You can't really read it. It'll say PSN Network Data Corp. And then under that it'll say a whole bunch of numbers, the access panel controller numbers, all that, and then you'll put, if you want, if you know how to do it, you go to the central codec system. So say central codec system is needed, with a bunch of dots. Then you enter 0.984.000.653. And then more numbers come up, obviously. And then where my finger is right above my finger, after all these numbers, right above my finger, it'll say password. And you have to enter a password, and then, as you can see, it's all stars, but 3 numbers, and those last 3 numbers are 735, I'll tell you. And after that, you will see a whole bunch of more numbers, all of these, right here, right above my finger, these 2 lines right here, and then you'll see a bunch of dots. Now, that's the waiting marker. That means it's accessing the panels in Sony. When you see it, it'll say access approved, and then it says welcome Jerry Cruz. And then it'll say this. If you look, most people end up missing this if you try to hack Sony. But I'm telling you this, it'll say that says central unit of Sony dash 752.108.735, and then the waiting mark password. You enter your password. And then once you enter that from there, where my finger is, this whole list of numbers, that means from here down to about there, is accessing and hacking Sony. And then once you get to here, this says, it says access approved, welcome Jerry Cruz, it says central control of Sony and, let me say that again. Access approved. Welcome Jerry Cruz to the central control of Sony Entertainment Corp. And then you'll hit File, System Search, and then in parentheses you'll say Crash System. And it'll say Crash System again. Crash System numbers 307.777.89 dash. And then the wait. And it'll say wait, and you enter your password. And then, like I said before, once you enter your password there, this whole list right here, numbers, is crashing a system. Now, this is in case you get mad at someone, you want to get them back. You can crash the system and completely stop it. Like the red ring it's basically like a red ring in the Xbox. And then once all these codes are done, the password is right. If you go down here, it says access approved. Crashing system 307.777.89 now. With a little caret, and then you'll see a whole bunch of symbols. And then all of a sudden, you'll see in a little lettering all the way down at the bottom. If you can read that, it says crash complete. Now what I'm going to do is, that's how you can crash the system. But now what I'm about to do is, I'm about to do the actual Black Ops hack. So give me about 2 minutes and I will show you exactly what to do. Okay, so you see all those list of numbers. Now that we're in the actual central control system, what we're going to do is, we're going to look up game search. So first, hold on. Okay. Now what we do is, after I got done entering the password, you'll see at the bottom of my screen now, like I said, it's a little harder. It says game search utility Call of Duty Black Ops hack CL, and then a whole bunch of little encodings. That means it has found Black Ops in the corporation network and is ready to be hacked. So now once you do that, click enter, and like I said, obviously more numbers come up. Now this whole list of numbers is very, very important. You do not want to delete any of these numbers. You do not want to change any of these numbers or anything. Without these numbers, without this whole entire thing I just showed you, you will not be able to jailbreak your eMac iBook Pro or hack Black Ops itself. So now that we're actually in Black Ops, what we're gonna do is, hold on.